then we can review that after this. And I will see if we can learn some ashtakams. Maybe there are many ashtakams, right? Yamunashtakam.
Also, Mataji, my microphone is being weird. Like
Okay.
once in a while it'll let me talk, other once in a while it won't let me talk. So if I don't talk, that's probably why.
Okay. Okay, fine. No problem.
See, like now it's letting me talk, but later it won't let me.
Okay, no problem. So shall we practice this? I don't know if others are joining or not today. We will start. We will start with prayers first. Okay, you all know the prayers, right? Yeah, you must be knowing. Okay. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnupadaya
Krishna Vesaya Bhutale
Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Nityanand Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharane Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Hare Rama So who wants to start this? Remember? Anyone remembers? Yeah, okay, Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead.
Gauranga Bolita Be Pulaka Sharira Hari Hari Bolitena Jane Babe Nira.
Yes, very nice, Krishna Chaitanya. You remembered. Hasini is also here. Okay. Anyone wants to go next? We are just practicing this one, Hasini. We completed this, right? Last time. So
Second book go.
yeah.
Araka beneta jamder karuna hoibe samsara basana mora kabe tucha habe.
Yes. Next. Adi, you want to go?
No, Mataji, I don't.
You don't remember this?
Yeah.
Not much comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Hasini?
Mataji.
Yeah. Do you remember?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
The
go
third one.
Yes.
Mataji, can you just tell the starting?
Vishaya kabe Shudha Bemana
Vishaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Bemana Kabe Hamahe Kabe Hamahe Rabo Shri Vrindavana.
Yes. Want to sing again?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
Jaya Chariya Kabe Shuddha Bemana Kabe Hamahe Rabo Shri Vrindavana.
Yes. Very nice. Okay. 4 and 5. Yeah. Anyone wants to go? Hasini, do you want to go again with the fourth one? Mukund, do you want to go with the fourth one?
Yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
रूप रघुनाथ पादे होइबे आकुति कभी हम बुझाबो से जोगला पीरीति.
Okay. Krishna Chaitanya, you want to go sixth one?
Fifth one.
Fifth one. Fifth one, sorry.
Nruparaghnatapade Rahumorasha Pratana karo ye sada Narottamadaasa.
Okay. So I think now everyone is comfortable with this song, right? So keep practicing it. So you want to practice Vibhavari Shesha, right?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. You can go to that song. Can you all see?
Yeah, we can see Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, we can see.
Okay. So 8 stanzas. Who wants to start this one?
Can I start, Mataji?
Yes, Adi. Go ahead.
Okay. Vibhavari sesha aloka pravisha nidrachari utha jiva bolo hari hari mukunda murari rama krishna hayagriva.
Very nice.
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Yes, Mukund. Go ahead.
Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudhana Brajendra Nandana Shyama Putana Ghadana Ketabhasatana Jaya Dasharathi Rama.
Very nice, Mukund. Good job. Who wants to do third one? Hasini, do you know this? Were you joining when they learned this song?
Mataji, actually, I learned in ISKCON Visakhapatnam this song.
Okay, so you know this, right?
Yes, Mataji.
So you can also sing, right?
Yes. Yashoda Dulala Govinda Gopala Vrindavana Pura Chandra Gopi Priya Jana Radhika Ramana Bhuvana Sundara Bara.
Very nice. Very nice, Hasini. Who has joined as Hare Krishna? What is the name?
This is Balram Mataji.
Oh, Hare Krishna Balram.
Hare
Nice
Krishna
to hear.
Mataji. I know this song, Mataji.
Can you sing the fourth one?
Kara Makana Daskara Kopi Jana Vastra Hari Vajrara Kala Gopavinda Kala Chitta Hari Bansidari.
Very nice. You all are singing so nicely. Very good. You fifth one, Krishna Chaitanya, do you want to go? Go ahead.
Yes. Yogendra Bandana Shinandana Andana Prajajana Bhayahai Navina Nirala Rupa Manohara Mohana Bamsi Bihari.
Very nice. Good job. Now who wants to go? 1 minute. Let me see. Anshu, do you know this? Do you want to go, Anshu?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, go ahead.
Seventh one.
Sixth one, do you know this one? Whichever you are comfortable, you can sing. Whichever you know. We are just practicing this. We learned this long back.
Yashodanandana Kamsani Sudana
Nikunjara
Nikunjana
Savila
Rasavilasi
Kadamba
Kadamba Kanana
Rasaparaya
Rasaparayana
Vrindavi
Vrindavana Bamshidari.
Vrindavidina Nivasi. Yes, very nice, Anshu. Good job. All of you are singing beautifully. Did I miss anyone? Anyone else wants to sing?
Mataji, can I sing the 7th one?
Okay, Hasini, go ahead.
Anandavardhana Premaniketana Kulashara Jojaka Kama Gopanga Ganga Gana Gana
Gopangana.
Gopangana Gana Gana Chitta Vinodana Samasta Guna Gana Dhama.
Yes, very nice. Can you say this again?
Yes, Mataji. Gopanga Nagana.
Yeah, Gopangana Gana. Very good.
Mataji, can you try again the 7th one?
Yeah, yes. Try again.
Anandavardhana Premaniketana Kulashara Jojaka Kama.
1 minute, Hasini.
Yes.
Yes, this is high one only, right? 7th goes high only, right?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
Anandavardhana Premaniketana Kulashara Jojaka Kama.
It goes like Pula Shara Jojaka Kama.
Kulashara Jojaka Kama.
Pula Shara Jojaka. Don't give a break gap between the Shara and Jojaka. Pula Shara Jojaka Kama.
Kulashara Jojaka Kama. Gopangana Gana Chitta Vinodana Samasta Guna Gana Dhama.
Yes, very good. Who wants to go with the last one?
Mataji, can Balaram stay?
Yes, go ahead, Balaram.
Yamuna Jivana Keli Parayana Manasa Chandra Chakora Namasudharasa Ka Krishna Jasa Rakupachana Manamora.
Yes, very nice. Who is Varsha Dongre?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Is that Varsha?
No, this is actually my mom's name. I'll change it.
What is the name?
Shreya.
Okay, Shreya Dongre. Okay. Nice to have you, Shreya. Do you want to sing this? One of this, like, I don't know when you join. So, do you know this song? Vibhavari Shesha, this version?
No, Mataji. I don't know this.
Okay, no problem. Because they learned this previously, so they were just practicing. Okay. So do you want to practice anything which you have done before, or shall we move to the new one?
We can move to the new one.
Okay. I was thinking of some ashtakam, so is that a good idea? You all like that?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
Maybe Yamunashtakam. Did you learn the Yamunashtakam? Do you know?
No, Mataji, first time I'm hearing the name.
Oh, that is a very nice ashtakam actually. Let's see if you. Yes. Praturanta kasya patta. So we can sing this in Kartik month, or even every day we can sing. It's a very beautiful Ashtakam by Rupa Goswami from Stavamala. So first let's read the translation. Anyone wants to read? Volunteer for translation. First one.
Mataji, can Mukund read?
Yes, Mukund, go ahead.
May Shri Yamuna, who is the
Your voice is breaking. Oh, it's still breaking, Mukund.
Mataji, that's someone else.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I thought you were trying.
I stopped because the noise was coming.
Is it coming from my side? No, right?
Yes, Mataji, I can hear you. It's perfectly fine.
Now it's fine. You can read it now, Mukund.
Yes, Mataji. May Shri Yamuna, who is the daughter of Surya Deva, who saves one from having to enter the city of her brother Yamaraja, the sight of whom enables the most sinful persons to cross the ocean of sin, and the sweetness of whose water charms the hearts of everyone. Always purify me.
These are the glories of Yamuna, river Yamuna. She's so glorious. She's in Vrindavan, and there are so many pastimes of Krishna over there, right? And she's the daughter of Surya Dev and sister of Yamraj. And actually she saves them to enter the city of her brother Yamraj, right? And the sight of whom enables the most sinful persons to cross the ocean of sin. Even if you look at her, or even if the sight of Yamuna Mai, the most sinful persons, they can cross the ocean of sin. And the sweetness of whose water charms the hearts of everyone. Always purify me. Who is praying this?
Srila Rupa Goswami.
Rupa Goswami. Yes. Words are little hard, but if we practice, it's very beautiful. So please repeat. Bhratur antakasya.
Bhratur antakasya.
Bhratur antakasya.
Bhratur antakasya.
Pattane bhipatti harini. Sorry.
Pattane
Vipathani.
Pattane.
Pattane.
I think it's pattane, but okay. Here it doesn't show anything. Pattane
Pattane.
bhipatti harini.
Vipatti
Harini.
Bhratur antakasya pattane bhipatti harini. Can you all say together?
Bhratur antakasya
Vipatti
Harini.
Yes, everyone is comfortable. Everyone got this? Prekshayati papinopi.
Prekshayati
papiyo.
Prekshayati papinopi.
Prekshayati papiyo.
No problem, Mukund. You can be on mute. Papa Sindhu Tarini.
Papa Sindhu Tarini.
Papa Sindhu Tarini.
Papa
Sindhu Tarini.
Prekshayati papinopi Papa Sindhu Tarini.
Prekshayati papinopi
Papa Sindhu Tarini.
Nira madhuribhir apya shesha. It's a long one. I'll go with the short one. Nira madhuribhir.
Nira madhuribhir.
Nira madhuribhir.
Nira madhuribhir.
Apya shesha chitta bandhini.
Apya
Shesha
chitta bandhini.
Apya shesha chitta bandhini.
Apya shesha chitta bandhini.
मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्द
मां
Mama Papu
सर्वदारविन्द
मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्द
मां
Mama Papu
सर्वदारविन्द
बन्धु नन्दिनी
Bantu Nandini.
बन्धु नन्दिनी.
बन्धुनन्दिनी.
So it goes like this, simple tune. भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पट्टने विपत्तिहारिणी भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणी. Okay, Sai Vedas, you have joined.
Yes, Mataji. I joined from the start.
Okay, so you repeated these words also.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, nice. I just noticed that you joined. Good to have you. प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
पापसिन्धुतारिणी
Papasindutarini.
पापसिन्धुतारिणी.
Papasindutarini.
Okay, how it goes, I will repeat both. Okay. भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणी प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी. Got it?
Yes.
Can you all say the first one again? 3, 2, 1.
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पट्टने विपत्तिहारिणी
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी. So only these two tunes we are seeing one after the other. Only these simple tunes we have to repeat. Okay. Are you all comfortable with first two lines?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, but I'm not getting the tune off her perfectly.
You're not getting the tune?
Yeah, I can try a tune.
Huh? What is it?
And I need to try a tune.
It's a new one for you. Yeah, you will get it by practice. It's a simple one and we are just repeating that again for the next one. भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणी प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनी मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनी. Okay, we are just going to repeat the same, those two tunes. But the words are very nice and it's very nice to learn this one. So we can continue with this, right? Yes, everyone is okay with this? Is it
Yes,
difficult?
Mataji. It's fine.
It's fine, right? Yeah. I think if you practice, you'll be able to learn this.
Can I try singing this?
You want to try? But are you okay with the third one also? We didn't practice the third one.
It's okay, Mataji.
Everyone is okay? Okay, otherwise I will just say this once and then you all repeat.
Yes, Mataji.
Niramadhuribhir
नीरमाधुरीभिः
apyasheshachittavandhini
अप्यशेषचिन्त्यबन्धिनी
Apyasheshachittavandhini.
sarvada
नापुनातु सर्वदा
punati sarvada
नापुनातु सर्वदा
Indabandhu Nandini.
Nandini.
मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धु नन्दिनी
Mam
Ma'am,
Patu
Nandini.
मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धु नन्दिनी
Mam
Ma'am,
Punatu
Sarvada Ravinda Bandhu Nandini.
This line is very difficult. Like, again, only once we will sing and then you all can sing one by one. Please repeat. भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने विपत्तिहारिणी
Praturankapattanapatiharini.
प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी
Prekshayati papinopi papasindhutarini.
चिरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनी
Niramadhurebhyapasheshachittabandhini.
तां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धु
Mapunat sarvadaravinda bandhu nandini.
One got it? We all want to practice one by one.
Yeah.
Who wants to go first?
Mataji, I can go.
Okay, go ahead, Krishna.
Raturantakasya pattane vipattiharini prekshayati papinopi papasindhutarini Niramadhuribhirapyasheshachittabandhini Mam Punatu sarvadaravinda nandini.
Yes, very nice. You got it, Krishna Chaitanya. You got the tune. Anyone else? Everyone can go one by one. Hasini, want to go? Hasini wanted to go actually first. You want to go, Hasini?
yes, Mataji.
Go ahead.
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पट्टने विपत्तिहारिणी प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणी
Apyashesha
नीरमाधुरीभिरप्यशेषचित्तबन्धिनी मां पुनातु सर्वदा रविन्दबन्धु नन्दिनी.
Yes, very nice, Hasini. Good. Mukund, do you want to go?
Yes, Mataji. Vraturantakasya pattane vibhidhaharini prekshayati papinopi papasindhutarini Niramadhurebhyapasheshachittabandhini Mam punatu sarvadaravinda bandhu nandini. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Adi, you want to go?
No, thank you, Mataji.
Okay. Shreya,
Yes, Mataji.
do you want to try?
Sure. Bhraturantakaśya paṭane vipattiharini prekshayatya papino pipapasundatarini niramadhubhir asya mamapuna sarvadaravinda.
Yes, very well tried. Yeah, both are singing nicely. What I will suggest is Shreyash is there, right? Shreya? That's Shreyash. Yes, can you both sing separately so I will know if you need any help with the words or a tune? Can you do that? First, maybe Shreya can go and then Shreyash will go. Is that okay? Or you're not comfortable?
Yes, Mataji.
Do you want to go or not, Shreya? Do you want to try first alone? Okay, Shreyash wants to sing or no?
I don't know. If
Okay, no problem. If you are comfortable singing together, it's fine. I just that I'm not understanding if anyone is not understanding any word. But if you are comfortable with that, it's fine. No problem. Okay, thank you for singing, Shreya and Shreyash. Sai Vedas, do you want to sing?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, go ahead.
भ्रातुरन्तकेशपान्तन बाप्तिहारिणि प्रक्षयाति पापिनोऽपि पापसिन्धुतारिणि नीलमाधुरीभिराप्य अशेषचित्तबन्धिनि पान्तु सर्वदरविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनि.
Mam punatu. So what I observed, some of you are trying to say it mama. It's mam.
Mam punatu.
Mam, this is not complete. It's mam.
Mam punatu.
Mam punatu sarvadara vinda bandhu nandini. Can you sing?
Mamupantu sarvadara vrinda bandhu nandini.
Mam punatu. Can you say?
Mam punatu sarvadara vrinda bandhini.
Yes. And the first line, can you sing again?
Bhraturanta kesha patena bhapi. I messed up.
Wait. Bhratur antakasya.
Bhraturanta kasya.
Pattane bhipatti harini.
Pattane bhipatta harini.
Patti. There is I, right? Bhipatti.
Yeah. Bhipatti harini.
Now can you sing?
Bhraturanta kesha patana
Antakasya.
Bhratur antakasya patane bhakti pati harini.
Yes, you're getting it. Very nice. Very nice, Haridas. And we are going to practice it always, so you all will get it nice. Even better. Okay. Did I miss anyone? I think everyone is done, right? Yes. So I will. So we will stop here only with the one today, and we will move. You want to sing?
Yeah.
Okay. Akshita wants to sing.
भ्रातुरन्तकस्य पत्तने बिभत्ति हारिणि प्रेक्षयाति पापिनोपपापसिन्धुतारिणि माधुरीभिरपि अप्येष चित्तबन्धिनि मां पुनातु सर्वदारविन्दबन्धुनन्दिनि.
Yes, very nice. This is Apyashesha.
Apyashesha.
Okay, very nice. So I think we will stop here today. I'll just take first one today, and we can also move to this one. Govinda Damodar Stotram. So I think everyone of you know this now, right? Knows this, right? Krishna Chaitanya knows, Sai Vedas knows, Shreya, do you both know this, right?
I think so. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I think you were there. Mukund knows this. Adi, do you remember this?
Mataji, I remember this. Can I sing it?
Yes, Hasini. Yeah, you were there.
अग्रे कुरुनामतपाण्डवानां दुःशासनेन हृतवस्त्रकेश कृष्णा तदाग्रो सदनान्यनाथ गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice, Hasini. Second one, someone please go quickly.
Mataji, can I say?
Yes, Sai Vedas.
Shri Krishna Vishnu Madhukaitabhare Bhaktanukampena Bhagavan Murare Trayasvamam Keshavanokanaada Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Very nice, Sayudas. Good job. Very nice. Next. Shreya and Shreyash. Do you know this third one?
The third one? Yeah.
Okay, can you sing?
Vikretu kama kila gopakanya murari padar pita chitta vritta dadhyadika mohavajada vochad govinda damodara madhaveti.
Yes, very nice. Just the tune is little different. Do you want me to sing and do you both want to repeat?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, please repeat. Vikretu kama kila gopakanya
Vikretu kama kila gopakanya
Murari padarpita chitta vritti
Murari padarpita chitta vritti
Dadhyadikam mohavashadavochat
Dadhyadikam mohavashadavochat
Govinda damodara madhaveti.
Govinda damodara madhaveti.
Yes, very nice. Got it now? Right?
Mataji.
Thank you. The fourth one, Krishna Chaitanya, you want to go?
Yes, Mataji. Kale samvratatandulamscha sankatayantyo mushalai pramugdha kayanti gopyo janitanuraga govinda damodara madhaveti.
Yes, very nice. Who did not sing? Mukund, you didn't go sing, right?
No, Mataji.
Yeah, go ahead, Mukund. Fifth one.
Yes, Mataji. Mataji, can I say the sixth one after someone because I don't know this one properly.
No problem. Who wants to go with the fifth one? Anyone who didn't get a chance, or I think you want to go? Yeah.
काचित् कराम्बोजपुटे निषन्नं क्रीडा सुखं किं सुकरक्ततुण्डम् अद्यापयम् सरोरुहक्षी गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice. Go ahead, Mukund.
Yes, Mataji. गृहे गृहे गोपवधू समूहा प्रतिक्षणं पिञ्जरसारिकानां स्खलात् गिरं वाचितुं प्रवृत्तो गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति. Hare Krishna.
Very nice. Okay. Who wants to go with the seventh and eighth one?
Mataji, can I go?
Yes, okay.
पर्यङ्किकाभाजमलं कुमारं प्रावस्ययन्तो किल गोपकन्या जागुः प्रबन्धं स्वरतालबन्धं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice, Hasini. Hasini, can you say this line again?
Which one, Mataji?
Second one.
प्रस्वापयन्त्यो किल गोपकन्या.
Yes, very nice. You got it now. Very nice. Eighth. You want to go? Yeah.
रामानुजं वेक्षणकेलिलोलं गोपीगेहित्वा नवनीतगोलम् आबालकं बालकम् आजुहावा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice. So we We will learn this 9th one today. Let's read the translation. Someone please read the translation. Someone please volunteer and read it quickly.
Krishna can go.
Okay, go ahead, Krishna.
O my tongue, since my mouth has become like a lotus, by dint of the present street there of these eloquent, ornamental, delightful syllables, you are like the swan that plays there. As your foremost pleasure, always articulate the names Govinda, Damodara, and Madhava.
So each stanza, Bilvamangal Thakur is saying the name of a personality or someone who is saying those names, Govinda, Damodara, Madhava, and that's how he's ending this lines, right? Fourth line, he's always ending with Govinda, Damodara, Madhava. It's so interesting, right? Next week we will see in detail which who are all saying these names from 1st to 10.
Mataji, I think the first one is Draupadi.
Yes, Draupadi. So please repeat. Vichitra Varana.
Vichitra Varna.
Vichitra Varana.
Vichitra Varna.
Varanabhirame.
Varanabhirane.
Varanabhirame.
Varanabhirame.
Vichitra Varana Bharanabhirame.
Vichitra Varna Bharanabhirame.
Bhidehi Vaktra.
Bhidehi Vaktra.
Bhidehi Vaktra.
Bhidehi Vaktra.
Bhuja Rajahamse.
Bhuja
Maybe we shouldn't break these words. Continuation. So, Bhidehi Vakram Bhuja Rajahamse.
Bhidehi
Vakram Bhuja Rajahamse. Sada Madiye. Rasanegra Range. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Please repeat. Vichitra Varana Bharana Bharame.
Vichitra Varna Bharana.
There are two similar words here, right? That's why it's a little confusing. Vichitra Varna Bharana Bharame.
Vichitra Varna Bharana.
Vichitra Varna Bharana Bharame.
Vichitra Varna Bharana.
Videhi Vakram Bhujarajhamse.
Videhi Vakram Bhujarajhamse.
Videhi Vakram Bhujarajhamse.
Videhi Vakram Bhujarajhamse.
Sadamadiye Rasanegra Range.
Sadamadiye Rasanegra Range.
Sadamadiye Rasanegra Range. Let's all sing together.
Govinda Damodara Madhaveti.
Everyone is comfortable with this word?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Varanabhirame. Got it? Who wants to go first? Yeah, Krishna Chaitanya, go ahead.
Vichitra Varna Bharana Bhirame. भीदेहि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे सदा मदीये रसनेग्ररङ्गे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Yeah, very nice, Krishna ji. Wonderful.
विचेत्रवर्णाभरणाभिरामे विदेहि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे सदा मदीये रसनेग्ररङ्गे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Good. Who else? Hasini, did you sing? No.
Mataji, I will try this one. विचित्रवर्णाभरणाभिरामे विदेहि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे सदा मदीये रसनेग्ररङ्गे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice, Hasini. Good.
Mataji, can I sing?
Yes, Saivedas. Go ahead.
विचित्रवरणाभरणाभिरामे विदेहि विक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे सदा मदीये रसनाग्ररञ्जे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very
I
nice.
said Ranje, Mataji. It was Range, right?
Huh?
I said instead of Range, I said Ranje.
Yeah, little bit. Range and Rasane.
Asane.
So, yeah, we have to see whether there is E or I. You want to sing again? You can try. Sing.
Sure, Mataji. विचित्रवरणाभरणाभिरामे विदेहि विक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे.
There also it's Vaktra. It's not Viktra. So, can you say
Vakta.
Vaktra.
Vakta.
There is A, right? So V.
Yeah.
Vaktrambujarajhamse.
विदेहि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे
Sada madiye rasane.
सदा मदीये रसनेग्ररङ्गे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Yes. Very nice. We got it. Who didn't sing? Adi, do you want to try this? Okay, I think there is some problem. Mukund, did you try this?
No, Mataji.
Go ahead.
विचित्रवर्णाभरणाभिरामे बिभेदि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे सदा मदीये रसनेग्ररञ्जे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति. Hare Krishna.
Mukund, you say what did you say here?
Mataji, I said bibhedi.
Videhi.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Yes, Shreya and Shreyas, please go ahead.
विचित्रवर्णाभरणाभिरामे विदेहि वक्त्राम्बुजराजहंसे सदा मदीये रसनेग्ररङ्गे गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति.
Very nice. Good. Both are singing in sync nicely. Very nice. I think everyone got a chance, no? Yes. So it's 9:10. Then shall we stop here today? So we just learned one of this, I know, and then this one of this today. So we will learn the new ones next time, the 10th one. Is that okay?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. practicing.
you, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Vanchakalpatarubhascha kripasindhuvayavacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Prabhupada ki jai. Srila Rupa Goswami ki jai.
Jai. Jai. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
See you next time. Hare Krishna.